Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily check your firmware version on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, we need to open up the Camera Hub application, which is the app especially designed for ELGATO cameras. So now what we need to do is click on a camera right here, go over to the device section where we need to check if our input is ELGATO Facecam MK.2. Now if not, then simply click on it and now click on those three lines here to check your firmware version. It's right here and you can easily copy it to your clipboard. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.